Hello guys, this is Abhijit and welcome back to another brand new fixing video on this channel. And today on my hand I have this Xiaomi Redmi 5A phone. It's a couple of years old phone, I think 3-4 years old phone. And problem with the phone, as you see guys, the display is shattered. Probably it's dropped on the floor and display get cracked. And today we try to fix the phone under $10. So I'm going to spend only $10 to completely fix the phone. So guys, let's begin the video and let's see whether we can fix this phone under $10 or not. So I ordered a replacement display from maxv.com and it cost me only 750 rupees. And here is the display. So we're going to fix the display and let's see we can fix the phone or not. Now guys, we're going to disassemble the phone, and before that we need to eject the SIM tray. So here is the SIM tray ejected, and here we have two SIM trays. One, and this is the second one. And we cannot turn off the phone guys because the touch isn't working. We will need something like this to remove the back cover. So back cover is opened, and here we have few screws we need to open to access the battery connector. So total 8 screws are unscrewed. Now let's remove this cover. So after removing the back PCB cover, first thing we need to do, we need to disconnect the battery. So this is the battery connector. So now battery is disconnected. On this PCB, as you see guys, there is a sticker. This is a water damage indicator sticker. So when high amount of moisture or water gets inside your phone, this thing turn into red. By default it is white, but right now after getting water or moisture it's turned into red, and that's how a service person know that whether your phone is water damaged or not. So there are a couple of screws you need to unscrew to remove this part of the phone. So all of the screws are unscrewed. Now remove this panel. So this cover is removed, and as you see guys, it is corroded. The copper Wi-Fi antenna strip is corroded, and on the back side here we have the speaker, and here is a charging port, and over the charging port we also have a water damage indicator, and that's also turned red. So water is get inside the phone from this side and as well as from this top side. So now we need to remove the battery from this phone, and this is the pull tab. Need to carefully pull it. Yeah, we already broken the pull tab. Now I failed to remove the pull tab guys. So both of these pull tabs are broken. We're not able to remove the pull tab. Now it will be hard for me to remove the battery. So first we need to soften the adhesive, and we're going to use this isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive, and we will apply few drops of isopropyl alcohol. After applying few drops of isopropyl, we need this kind of pry tools to pry the battery out of the board. And as you see guys, the adhesive is quite softened. Okay, so the battery is removed. Now let's disassemble all of this component from this frame. This ribbon cable is for the display, and this is for the touch. And now we need to heat this display to soften the adhesive and remove this display from this frame. Now guys, we're going to put some solder over this broken glass. So that when we try to remove this display from this panel, the broken glass didn't cut our hands. And here is my hot air soldering station, and I'm going to heat it around 120 degree to soften the adhesive. I little bit increase the heat around 151 degree. Let's heat it up properly. Now we'll take a card like this, insert it, and it will card the glue. Now we successfully separate the display from this panel. Next guys, we're going to clean all of this extra adhesive from this panel and some dirt from all of these boards and panels. Let's put some isopropyl alcohol and using a brush we'll clean it. Now guys, everything is clean. Now we're going to fix this display on this frame here, like this way. Before that, we need to remove this plastic. Remove. And we're going to use this adhesive to fix the display here. To add some glue here too. Next, we'll put this display through here, and this one will go through here. Okay, after that, we'll properly place the display. Now we're going to use some pressure clip or clamp to pressure, or you can use some garter, plastic garter like this way. Just going to do same job. Do not tight it much. Done, and leave it for a couple of hours to dry the glue.
1 hour later.
So guys, the glue is dried. Let's remove these clamps. Now let's place the logic board on the frame. Connect the display. This is the charging board connector. Power on the bottom connector. Connect the battery. So guys, what these screws are screwed. Now let's power on the phone. Power on. So guys, we successfully repaired the display and display is working properly, but there is a problem with this phone. The network is not showing. So we'll fix this phone network problem on our upcoming video. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. and I will definitely try to reply every one of our questions. That being said, my name is with I'm signing out, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.